This is Prince August Super Snipper. We're going to talk about its many positive attributes today. The flat side of the Super Snipper is used against the base of the figure to get a nice even cut. If you don't do that, you'll end up with a bump. So always make sure that you have the flat side against the base of the figure you want to keep and push it flush against the base before you snip the figure. We're not going to snip the ingate off right now because we're going to use that figure for a later demonstration in this video. Sometimes you have ticker gates that require the snipper to be expanded. Here you can see the snipper will not fit over the ingate, so you need to expand the handles, which will open, of course, the snipping area, and then you can replace it and reposition it to solve the problem. Then you just push down and it'll be able to snip off the base quite easily. It's important when you get new snippers to bend it back and forth a few times to make sure that you loosen it up a bit, because the metal tends to rub slightly off one of the sides of the snipes, and if you don't do that, it'll be a little stiff. We have an old snipper here and then the new Super Snipper as an example of how the new Super Snipper is far more efficient for cutting off ingates. The old snips does the job technically. It cuts off the metal ingate, but it also leaves a little ridge. The new Super Snippers, when it's pushed against it, cuts it cleanly, and it requires no further work. As you can see here, the two bases look similar, yet one side does have a ridge while the other is very, very smooth. Using one of our file sets, if you don't use our Super Snipper, means that you have to spend a few minutes cleaning off the rough edge from the base, otherwise the figure will not stand firmly and will wobble. Again, just a tip for filing: make sure that you file slowly and carefully towards the area you're cutting. Do not saw. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video.